Alright, y'all, we be talking patch cables. So we do have our bulk here. We're mostly all vertical cable. But for individuals, file cabinets, my friends, we bundle in 10 usually. One of our interns, or if our apprentices, whatever, have extra time, we'll usually unpackage and bundle in 10. Obviously, the average Joe doesn't stock this much in patch cables. So what you can do is, when that's these dividers, or it's real easy to put plywood dividers. We've got some, I don't know if any of these have plywood dividers, but I can show you another one that does. We don't always unbox these here. The beauty is you can get file cabinets for exceedingly cheap, many times for free. We got dozens of them for free / I guess cheap. All the patch cables. We also do the same thing for our keystones. Also, shameless plug, we're overstocked. If anyone needs vertical cable, keystones, patch cables, I'll sell them at my cost, which admittedly is probably the same cost as most other places. But if you're not buying lots, may not be, maybe better. Do the same thing for other parts. HDMIs, more patch cables. You get the idea. Belden jacks, Belden patch cables. We're a Belden authorized house as well. Let me show you the dividers. Again, we use them even for our velcro. Super handy. We use them for hardware. Sorry, they're kind of reorganizing this room. Who needs a sledgehammer? Again, dividers. Super handy. We used cut up vinyl flooring, my dad did, to create dividers like these. Overall, much prefer that. This works okay, but this bin, to be honest, for the price point, these work way better. Of course, always label. But yeah, I mean, we've got a variety of different things. In case anyone needs vacuums, apparently we have a lot of those. We do use the toolboxes for a lot of the tools. And again, these work pretty good for a lot of our bulk. But when it comes to patch cables, to be honest, the file cabinets, baby, they work the best. So, from Team Sprinter to y'all, good luck, stay organized, and label it, gosh darn it, label it.